it's over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime I look together. Come here, cause I'm hold you for life.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm on the daily time frame and my bias is bullish. My draws on liquidity are this high right there, and these highs up there, yeah, those are my draws on liquidity, right? Price just tapped into this order block, rejected it smoothly, and now you're expecting prices to go higher. That is my bias for the day. Now there's something I learned about daily bias which I'll just put at the end of this clip. Let's go to the 1 hour. What am I seeing on the 1 hour? What am I seeing on the 1 hour? Let me see. Let me just remove this quickly. What am I seeing on the 1 hour? So if I draw from premium to discount, you can clearly see that there's this fair value gap in the discount, and it's also fused with an order block right here. There's a small line and an order block like at the low end of this fair value gap. So I'm expecting price to tap into this fair value gap at the correct time of day, which is London kill zone, and then rally higher to come take out these buy stops right here. That's my ultimate drawn liquidity. My ultimate drawn liquidity is actually there, but just to be realistic for now, we're gonna take it here, right? And then on the 15 minute, what do I do on the 15 minute? I'm just marking out the midnight opening price, right? So here's the MOP. I call it the MOP because midnight opening price, right? MOP. You guys will see what I mean. The MOP, right? So we're currently getting this Judas swing right here. The false move lower to go higher. The false move lower, tap into this fair value gap to go higher, and to look for an entry model somewhere around here, and we'll see if price actually plays along with that bias, right? So that's what I'm looking for right now. Another thing, on the 1 hour, you can see that price in the beginning yesterday, right, came to tap into this fair value gap, created these relatively equal highs, came back again to tap again into this fair value gap while engineering these lows. Price came, took out these buy stops, took out these sell stops, and then came again to take out buy stops here, right? So we've already taken sell stops here, and we've already rebalanced the fair value gap, and we took out buy stops there. So I'm expecting price to come and tap into this fair value gap and then rally higher once again to these relatively equal highs. So that's what I'm looking for. Now, something that I learned yesterday, which was mind-blowing, is that, let's go here. So I've been watching Market Maker Prime, right? These are the notes right here. If you guys want these notes, you can just put it in the comment section below, but I still recommend that you guys watch this episode on your own, right? So, but if you guys want the notes, right, maybe you can actually add on to what you already have on your notes, right? So yeah, this is market structure episode, right? Where is what I'm looking for? Yes, here it is. Here is a secret, right? This is what ICT said. He said here is a secret. Everyday bias is every day the bias is both directions, because there are traders making money going long and there are traders making money going short that day. What you are looking for is for your bias to line up with what you are looking for in price action that day. You cannot force price to do what you want to do. Now, what does this mean? It means that every day the bias is both directions. First of all, right, there are traders who could be making money going short from here down to here, and there are traders making money going from long to here up to there, right? Meaning that whether the bias was bearish or bullish, right, people can still make money. Someone's bias could be bearish and price follows along with what he's looking for and make money from here to here. And another person's bias could be bullish and price follows along with what he's looking for from here up to there. So it all depends on what you're looking for in price, right? So there is no black and white within bias, right? There is no today's daily bias is bullish or today's daily bias is bearish, and that is universal. No, everybody has a different bias, right? Everybody has a different method to find their bias, and it is what it is. So he says, one trader's buy bias may exist inside the realm of another trader's sell bias. They both can be correct and make money and even see their respective profit objectives achieved. They can both be wrong and make money despite their profit objectives are not achieved, despite their respective profit objectives are not achieved. They could both simply lose money and neither trade idea come to fruition. There is no black and white. As a trader, you must enter the gray and be comfortable with less than perfect visibility. Trades will materialize and provide plenty of profit-making potential. You see what I'm saying, guys? So there's no black and white. You must find a gray area in between black and white, right? Where it's not perfect, where you might be wrong. And there's nothing wrong with being wrong. So right now, what I'm going to do is that market maker primer. So I've watched these 3 episodes. Today I'm going to watch these 2 episodes. The Asian ICT kill zone and the ICT London kill zone. These 2. And then tomorrow I'm going to watch those 2. And then I'm just going to watch 2 episodes a day until I reach the end of market maker primer. Yeah. So guys, I hope that little section of me talking about what ICT spoke about in regards to daily bias really helped you guys a lot, because it was mind-blowing to me, right? It's like something that I did not know, but once I found out, it really relieved the pressure of having the right bias every single day, because the bias is both directions, the bias is both directions. But let's not talk about that. Right now, what I'm about to do is that I'm about to watch 2 Market Maker Primer episodes. I'm going to write notes. And then from there on, I'm just going to, while price is printing, of course, and then I'm going to look at price and see what has went on. So that's me.
I've been throw up the sex in
So guys, let's look at the London kill zone right now and what price has done. So you can see here the time that London kill zone has already ended, and yeah, on the 1 hour you can see that price came to tap into this fair value gap, right? Whether it's gonna hold or not, I do not know, right? Whether it's gonna hold or not, I do not know, but price is currently in a discount and within a bullish PDRA. And let's go to the 15-minute. If I look on the 15-minute, right, when London kill zone began, guys, you can see that it came to tap into this fair value gap. Now, this is something that I was talking about. You guys can see that fair value gaps, there's a fair value gap below, there's a fair value gap here, right? But one thing that I noticed that at the beginning of the London Open, this fair value gap, price was rebalancing this fair value gap and tried to go higher, right? And I went on the 5-minute. When I went on the 5-minute, I think it's the 3-minute actually, but you can see that price tapped into this fair value gap. Went on the 3-minute. I looked at this as a potential entry. So if you guys can see, we got this, right? And then we got a market structure shift here with displacement to the upside, right? We broke market structure 2 here, and then we had a fair value gap, right? So I saw this fair value gap as a potential entry, but as you can see, price just, right? And that could have been a valid loss, right? But there's some few things that I learned today from ICT, especially about London kill zone. As you guys can see, this is a quiet London kill zone, right? A quiet London session. ICT said when we get a quiet London kill zone, we should expect the rest of the move to ensue during the New York kill zone. Like for the New York kill zone to have the real move. Let me just show you guys the notes quickly. Just show you guys quickly. Okay. Yes. If price does not start to run during London session, we can reasonably expect the real move to ensue during the New York kill zone. So price is just taking here. You know, price is not really doing that much. So you're gonna see what happens in your New York kill zone, guys. So guys, this is a huge fast forward from the last clip, but right now I'm going to the gym and I'll see you guys when I come back. So I am back from the gym and I have to go buy bread because there's no bread, so that I can make food to eat, and then I'm back at it again on the grind. You know what's up. So guys, if you guys can see, during London kill zone, I expected this fair value gap to be the catalyst for price to go higher, but that did not happen. Instead, price came and took these relatively equal lows here, and then now it's rallying higher, right? And you can see this week right here, price came and also took buy stops right here. So my drawn liquidity is still these buy stops right here, but as you can see, for almost this whole week, price has just been ranging. Well, this was Wednesday, and then Tuesday, this is when these highs were created. Monday, these highs were created on Monday, so I'm still expecting these highs to get taken out, right? And then if I go to the 15-minute time frame, let's look at times of day, right? So this is midnight. If you guys can also see properly, price did not really give us that Judas swing today, right? You know, price didn't give us a false move lower to go higher, right? Price just came lower, right? And then of course we have this spike up, but nothing really happened today. Price just came to take down these sell stops, right? Disrespected all of these fair value gaps right here. And then during New York kill zone, when does New York kill zone start? Right there, and it ends somewhere around here. So price took sell stops during New York kill zone. So one thing that I want to see is that did we get an entry during New York kill zone? You know, so we're looking at price action here, right? Let's just change that orange. Let's remove the line first. Let's just do this, and then we change that orange, or even yellow. Yes. I'm sorry guys. Yeah. Then now let's go to the 5-minute. Let's look at price action around that area. So okay, this is, yeah, at 8:15 price literally just shot up, right? Because there was a news driver there, but nothing really of substance. And then if I go to the 3-minute, on the 3-minute, also nothing really of substance. Price didn't give us an entry model on the 3-minute, right? Price didn't give us an entry model on the 3-minute. And then the 2-minute, okay, I don't have access to the 2 minutes, so the 1 minute, of course price gave us an entry model on the 1 minute, guys. Like, it's inevitable, you know, like price always gives you. That's why I avoid the 1 minute, because guys, you get so many entries on the 1 minute, it's crazy. So price gave us a market structure shift after taking these lows, left a fair value gap right here. Depending on where you put your stop loss, you could have been stopped out, but you can see this is what happened, right? Guys, so the video ends here. And if you guys are wondering why I'm not taking as much B-roll as I used to in my previous videos, the reason is my tripod broke, right? But I ordered a new tripod from Takealot, so I'm expecting that on Saturday, and then on Tuesday next week when I post again, you guys will expect that cool B-roll that I usually have. So I'm gonna end it here because I'm about to go to church right now. I'm gonna prepare myself to go to church, and then from there on it's gonna be dark, so I can't shoot anymore because
This is the last bit of lighting I can squeeze in the day. So have a nice one, guys. Peace.